Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil Villa, Trading Capital Markets. Today we're the 24th of July, 2025, and we're currently 9:25 a.m., 5 minutes before the open. Market was consolidating just a little bit before, and now it just started to rip right before the open. So let's see what's gonna happen. Let's take this off. Perfect. Let's zoom in. We have some data at 9:45. S&P um, global manufacturing PMI. We have new home sales at 10, and yeah, that's about it. I think we're going to be going for new highs today. But we shall see. All right, 3 minutes before the open. It's a 15-second chart on the right. Give me one moment. Let's do it right here. Logged into the Interactive Brokers. Currently pushing. Probably gonna go rip. Get these equal highs over here. See this? Dipped right into this 1 minute fair value gap over here. And started pumping from there. Let's see what we get. All right, market open. There's the pump. Took out these relative equal highs. Now we're starting to dip. Let's see. Probably gonna come take these lows maybe. Let's remain patient and see what we get. Just gonna put the title on that chart. Canvas, trading, no status, yeah, title. Nothing too crazy for now. Choppy for now. Took those lows though. Right here. That we're talking about. Probably not the same lows on the normal contract. Yeah, exactly. They're closer on the micros. Little bearish fair value gap in here. Couple minutes to the numbers drop. Nothing interesting for now. Maybe a possible place would be to get into this into a 4-hour inversion that I see over here. Use it as a possible bounce. Take that money and bounce. Put that globally. Like that we could see it. Two 265. 265 would be here. So yeah, exactly where I said the liquidity to be taken was. So yeah, I suspect this to come and attack this and then bounce from there. Possibly go a little bit lower. Unless numbers are very positive for the Nasdaq. Or the block over here. Will it be used? Let's see. Let me just put an alert. Add an alert. Perfect. Oops, sorry. So now we're stuck between this morning's buy side and sell side. Sell side is right here. Buy side right here. And we have the AM accumulation. Buy side also right here. Big volume coming in. Unless we still use this as an inversion over here on the 15-second. Which seems like we did. Let's see if we continue and fill the wick to the top, or we stay below the 50% of the wick. 50. Nope. We're gonna fill it. All right. Interesting. Touched it again, the inversion, but here we have a balanced price range, so it's gonna go up. But there's also this empty fair value gap. But it got tapped into right here. Not really, but it did. There it goes. See, stayed within it of this balanced price range and started ripping straight above that inversion. Probably gonna come above these highs. Okay, S&P is above the highs. Nasdaq is not yet. Another place that would be nice would be till here. Let's see. I took this morning's the opens buy side. We still have Asia buy side to go get. Let's see how this reacts up here. It starts breaking down. Oh, sorry. That was news. S&P Global Manufacturing PMI. So it's down once again. And services are up a bit. Let's sell one over here. Actually, yeah, let's sell that one over here. we go back in here, I think I'm gonna sell it again. Up here, but I doubt we will. I think we're gonna start, yeah, actually falling from here. Let's see what we do in here on the 15. Are you gonna go straight through this or not? That's the question. I would think so. Yep. Okay, great. Okay. There's my buy stop. I'm just gonna put a break even. Not losing today. Let's see where we drop to. Targets are right here, by the way. This sell side. I might add a short position right here. Yeah, kind of like that. Short this bugger right back down. Let's see. Hmm. I might just drop it right here. Yeah. Let's go for those highs as a stop. Um, Come on, push. Let's modify this to 2. If it comes back to my order, I don't want it anymore. Crush it. I'll get a better position. A bit higher if it comes back. That's it, that's all. That's how it works. It's probably gonna come back. Right here. I feel it. Look, it left like little relative equal highs. It's gonna come and opa. Sales coming in. Damn. Damn. Those are the numbers. What did the numbers come in? New homes. Oh, that's bad. Okay. So final stop is right here. Stops moving. Profits are all right. Not $100 in profit, but on 2 micros. Would have accumulated more, but there was the new home sales coming out in the numbers, and I didn't want to kind of risk it. Probably gonna get stops out right here. Let's see on the what it looks like on the minute chart. Minute chart's not too bad, but it's overall bearish. Up $124. Targets are these this sell side liquidity. Come on, you could do it. Yeah, this is going to go straight down. And relatively fast too, I think. There it goes. If this starts switching up over here, probably going to get attacked over here. But if it continues going down like this, then targets are still intact. I want to see this remain intact. So I want to see this area, candles close within, right here, and this area as a short, if it ever goes into there, which is the inversion. Oops. Right here. If it passes that, okay. Let's see. See, like that. We pass this, close outside. It's okay, we move stops. Anyways. So whatever happens, happens. But we also got into this like little fair value gap. Let's see if we're gonna start turning around now. Most people don't see these, but it's tiny. Let's see if it's gonna close below in 14 seconds. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Right here. It did close below. You see? And off we go. Now, what we need is a repricing till here. Come on, reprice. It's gonna get me out. Oh, didn't get me out. Probably gonna get me out on this run. Not even. Candle gapped above, but previous one closed within. You see that? Pretty sure it's gonna reach the top now. Unless it flips black over here. I guess it flipped black. Come on. And gap down. So flip black over here on the 1 minute on the real NQ chart, gap down at the close, and now we're gonna be headed lower, I think. Yeah. Precision like there's no tomorrow. It's unbelievable. So nice to see. It's like really nice to see. The little algos trading within these parameters. And now we're off. Watch it break hard. Come on. Actually, you know what? I'll keep an eye over here because it might not. And if it flips this, I'll get out. On the 15. Yeah. Let's see. Moving stops, by the way, everyone. I want to see it continue a little bit lower. At least till here. But now what we did is that towards the end of this macro time period for the algos, we came and took this low. Now, what's going to happen? Are we going to continue lower or not? I don't think so. But if we do, even better for us. Right here, this would have to close lower. Lower and not within this. Yeah, exactly. That's still 40 points. 40 points is fairly good. Fairly good. But now we're starting to flip, you see? Stay within, close below. We're still in. Possible buyback till 40. The only thing that's annoying me is that this candle didn't close below the bodies right here. You see that? So I'd like to see it continue right here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. There we go. Now come get this sell side. Push even more. We're up 217. And 273. 273.25. Come on. Buy stops moving down. Target's very close. Just another 25 points. A little bit lower. I put it just before the low. Come on. That's right. I think we're gonna get those little buggers right there. Okay, that was it. Unless we start turning around over here. Which I doubt it. Yeah, exactly. I've seen a nice down tick over here. And yeah, no. Unless we're gonna come take it. Little down tick and I'm out. There you go. I'm gonna exit right here. I know we're close to those lows. We didn't take him. We flipped this in this inversion. So this is the part where that I didn't like. Right here. Yeah. Still, what, about 70 points? No. What am I saying? 62 to 19. 40 points. Now I wait. I'll wait and see, but I'm pretty sure we're going to start accumulating over here. And if we don't, then we come and take this low. Well, that's okay. I think I might start buying just now. Yeah. Because we did that inversion. Came back down. Come back here and buy a second lot. We'll see. It's how you trade both sides of the marketplace. Look, it's gonna be a risk-free trade. Yeah, sell start right here. Sell start right on it. And then we have a buy stop at these highs. And look, if we take them, we take them. If we don't, we don't. Right? But I'm pretty sure we're gonna take them. Pretty sure we're gonna rip straight through. Now we're up, let's see, 270 on the day, which is not bad. Buy stops. Buy stops are gonna be 424, 425. All right, 423. Let's put them at 423. Buy stops, and this is, yeah. And that's it for today. We don't lose because we're putting the sell stop one tick above. And we already banked, what, 203 US dollars. So about 270 Canadian, which is great. Now can I start accumulating some more? That's the question. The strength is there. That's okay. That's going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. It was great. Great execution. Over here you see I saw that it flipped this bearish fair value gap. Once it flipped, I should have taken it out here. Waited a bit to see if this one was going to hold. Didn't hold. Closed above. And then was bought back on this order block right here. Let me put it in perspective. Change the colors. This OB plus. You see, stopped at the consequent encroachment. Let me just open this chart. Stopped at the consequent encroachment of that order block on the 15-second right here before making that move up, and just rip straight up from there. So I sold over here because after taking the highs, we inverted right away these candles, and even on the 1 minute. So I was waiting for the 1 minute to do it, to close, to confirm. You see, close lower than this bullish fair value gap. So I started entering at the entry right here. Right here. You can see on the right chart when I float at the entry point, it's going to be at the same place. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we're on this inversion, you see? We're bouncing off of this inversion because we just flipped it on the minute, which is a great place to buy some more. But I'm gonna remain in this position and not move from here because it still might come get this sell side right here. All right. So I'll keep you guys updated on my position, and have a great day, everyone. Peace.